Now I am going to give you the question for practice, part 2. So here it is going to be questions for practice part 2. Based on greatest number smallest number sign of greater or less. Ascending order, descending order, shapes, etc. etc मतलब there are more questions related to this topic. This is A shape. Now there are at least 9 questions, so it will take some time. For example, question 1. Q1 means question 1. अब देखिए, circle the greatest number of the following. I will explain one. I'll explain one for you, rest you have to do. For example, question A. One 35, 179, 160. This is question A. Question B. 54, 84, 147. C. 131, 141, and 151. D. 154, 140, 166. E 166, 176 and 186. These are the questions. I am explaining you by taking one question, A. For that, as I have mentioned, you write O T H. O T H. O T H. And take a rough work on the right hand side, dry line, and rough work for the question A. Here I have written, just see, at 100, every digit is 1. 100, 100, 100. So forget to compare the first digit. Now come for the second digit. 3, 7, 6. Out of 3, 7, 6, which one is the largest? 7. That means that digit is the largest digit. So you can say that here, you can say that 7t is greater than 6t, which is also greater than 3t. So as far as greatest is concerned, you have to do like this. So please do all these things. For example, here there are 2 digit, 3 digit, 3 digit. So 3 digit is always highest, greater than 2 digit. So sometimes you have to use your mind also. Now, similar question 2. Circle the smallest number. Of the following. Once you are doing the homework, you always make it is question 1A. So the examiner can be happy to see, to explain how the greatest number is circled. Now, A. 135, 179, same thing, 160. Again I am writing the same, B. 54, 84 and 147. Then C. 131, 141 and 151. D. 154, 140 and 166. E. 166, 176, 186. F. Right? 11, 33 and 31. Just see here example. Either write greater than or less than. So greater means 70 is the largest one, greatest one. And 3t is the lowest one. So here you can also make 0 T H 0 T H 0 T H. Here also at 100 all are the 1, but just see 3 is less than 6 less than 7. So 131, this is the smallest one. Rest you do like this. Question 3. Compare the given two numbers with sign of greater than or less than. Here A 15 65, B 148 and 160, C 120 115. D 147 and 159. Then E 171 117, F 195 and 190. Here I also give the example. Do one for you. Just see here. Here O, T. Here O and T. Just see at tens, 1 is less than 6. This is a question 3A. 1T is less than 60. That means 15 is less than 65. Or you can say that 65 is greater than 15. So this is the third question, and that's how you have to compare by writing ones, tens and 100. Now question 4. Question 4. Write the given number given numbers in ascending order. Ascending is sometimes called increasing order. Now here also I will give you some question A 154, 162, 142, and 123. And here you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Question B, 145, 128, 147, and 165. Then C, 111, 148, 132, and 104. I am giving one example. Rest, ask the student to do. So put, always try to tell the students for the rough work on the right hand side, mark like this vertical line. So the answer should not be interfere with the rough work, and ask them to write rough work, R-O-U-G-H, work. So the examiner, it is important in higher classes. The examiner should know the student has the ability to explain it. I mean, example ले लीजिए, A question. For that I have said you write O T H, O T H, O T H. Now just say, since at H, at 100, in all number there is 1. So first write O T H, O T H, O T H, O T H. So first compare digit below H. This is very, very important. So in every below H, there is one, so you write 1, 1, 1, and 1. So there are two ways to do these things. I said that digit at O and T should be read jointly. For example, it is 54, 62, 42, and 23. Just write. Second step. 54 and 62 and 42 and 23. O, T, O, T, O, T, O, T. Just say at T, 6 is the highest. Because ascending order means from lower to higher. So first you write lower. So in this case, what is the lowest? Just say 5, 6, 4, 2. 2 is the lowest, then 4, then 5, then 6. So write 2, first write 2 because it is an increasing order, and after 2 you write 4, and after 4 you write 5, and after 5 you write 6. नाउ वंस कंपेयर, वंस में क्या है 4 2 2 23। अब देखिए यहां पर 2 2 सेम हो गया, 2 2 सेम हो गया, तो क्या होगा 4 और 3, तो पहले 2 2 आएगा और फिर क्या आएगा 4 3 आएगा फिर 4 आएगा, तो यहां पर आखिर ये 1 नहीं 2 नहीं, हाँ अब यहां पर देखिए गड़बड़ा गया, यहां पर 23 सबसे लोएस्ट है, तो यहां पर 23 करिए, यहां पर साथ साथ पढ़िए, अलग अलग पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है। 23 के बाद जो है 42 है, तो यहां पर 42 लिखिए, फिर इसके बाद क्या है 54 है तो 54 लिखिए, और यहां पर क्या है 62 है तो 62 लिखिए। इसका मतलब वो टी को कंपेरिजन करने के लिए कॉम्बिनेशन एक ही तरह से आपको पढ़ना पड़ेगा, तो इस तरह से आपका असेंडिंग ऑर्डर हो जाएगा फ्रॉम लोअर टू हायर। सो यहां पर लिख भी सकते हैं फ्रॉम, फॉर कन्वीनियंट, फ्रॉम लोअर वैल्यू टू हायर, higher value. So I think you are very easily you can do the remaining 3 questions. इसको मैं मिटा देता हूं, इसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है। अब देखिए क्वेश्चन 5, write the given number in descending or decreasing. If you have understood above, so it is very easy to answer this question very easily. I am giving 4 questions. A, that is 103, 150, 171, 128. B, 110, 120 and 170 and 190. Then C, 102, 106, 109 and 100. D, 100, 190, 170, 150. So here also I will say that you write O T H, O T H, O T H, O T H, and one number here, 2 number here, second number, this is third number, and this is fourth number. और यहां पर आपको देखना होगा, ये आपका जो है क्वेश्चन 5 का है, ये क्वेश्चन 4 का है, खैर नहीं, ये क्वेश्चन 4 का ए है, ये क्वेश्चन 5 का ए है. Go in similar way, first compare the digit below H. So in all H, right here OTH, So compare 1, 1, 1 and 1. Just like this. Now rest is 3, 50, 71, 28. So out of 3, 50, 71, 28 is which one larger? 71. So you write 71. It is the highest number. After 71 number you cut. Just see 3, 50, 28. So 50 will come into the picture. Cut 150. So now question is 3 and 28. So 28 will come first. Then 3, 0. So this is descending order, and I request all the students to complete rest of the things. Now, again I am writing, giving a question. There is 4 questions to make a distinction between odd number, even number. So it is very easy. So I will complete quickly this one. First question 6. Write the following shape. Following shapes as even, oblique, odd. And both will be referred as, even is also referred as odd numbers. अब बी केयरफुल, इवन नंबर को पेयर भी बोलते हैं. अब आई एम गिविंग, दिस इज ए फॉर्म ऑफ एग. Now here I am writing even oblique pair. So here you have to tick. Here it is odd. So even if you tick like this, B triangle. Right. So tick, here I am putting like this. You have to make this and put it. C rectangle. D 0. O. So here make this, no problem. You have to only take correct answer because you know the counting. ठीक है. Question 7. Circle even numbers of the following. I will give hint. Write OT, 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 OT. So definition of the even number, rough work. Or pair at O at once if number is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is an even number. Just see here. Here 40, yes, it is even number. 3, no. 28, yes. And 52, yes. So similarly, you have to complete this. Now there is again 2 questions. Just I will complete it. Question 8 and 9. Question 8. Circle odd number. A 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 3, 1, 1, 4, 1, 1, 5. B 123, 124, 126, 129 and 130. C 151, 161, 172, 177 and 174. D 195, 186, 177, 148 and 151. Odd numbers in the following. अब you should know the about definition of the odd number. At O, at once, if number is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So these are the odd numbers. So here you write OTH. I am doing one for you, but for all of you, you have to write OTH. अब देखिए 1 ये है, 2 है, 3 ये है और 5 ये है. Similarly, do the rest. But there is another thing which I want to tell you. Question 9. write the circle position write the semicircle position position in terms of first, third, fourth, and eighth. अब देखिए, अब आपका ये देखिए सेमी सर्किल 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8। अब यहाँ मैंने बनाया है। अब इसमें बताना है कि फर्स्ट पोजीशन पर कौन है, थर्ड पोजीशन पर कौन है, फोर्थ पोजीशन पर कौन है, एट्थ पोजीशन पर कौन है। और यहाँ पर हमने जो यहाँ पर एक दे दिया, यहाँ पर गोला बना दिया। मैं एक एग्जांपल दूंगा कि फोर्थ पोजीशन पर कौन है ये। जैसे लड़कों का पोजीशन काउंट कर दीजिए, तो काउंट करिए, देखिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8। तो ये आपका फोर्थ पोजीशन है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल प्रेयर में लड़के खड़े होते हैं, तो अगर बताना कि कौन फोर्थ पर है, कौन फिफ्थ पर है, कौन एट्थ पर है, कौन 11th पर है, कौन 15th पर है, तो इस तरह से रिमेनिंग यू टू राइट फर्स्ट वन कौन है, थर्ड वन कौन है, एट्थ वन कौन है। सो दैट विल बी एंड ऑफ माई क्वेश्चन पार्ट 2 is concerned, and next I am going to take the other topic. Thank you very much.